Welcome to Jolly Star Learning, where education is exciting and every day is a new adventure. Join us as we explore letters, numbers, science, and more.
Hey there, house heroes! Welcome to Food Power Facts, where we explore how different foods affect our bodies. Today, we're learning about unhealthy foods and how they impact our health. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Candy packed with sugar, it gives you a quick energy burst but leads to a crash, leaving you tired and cranky. Sugary drinks, sodas, and sweet juices can harm your teeth and lead to weight gain if consumed too often. Pastries. These treats are loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, which can increase the risk of heart problems if eaten regularly. Fries high in unhealthy fats and salt. Eating too much can raise blood pressure and cause weight gain. Frozen pizza loaded with processed meats and preservatives, which can lead to heart issues if eaten frequently. Popcorn with butter flavor contains artificial additives and unhealthy oils that may harm your heart if overconsumed. Burgers often high in saturated fats. These can raise cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease. Chips salty and oily. Eating too many can lead to high blood pressure and poor digestion. Avoid these foods and choose fresh and whole foods for a healthy life and strong body.
Thank you for learning with Jolly Star Learning. Keep exploring, keep growing, and we'll see you next time.